Hi folks, so we're in a town called Loule here in the Algarve. It's either spelt Loule or Loule. The sat-nav was saying Loule. We think it's spelt Loule. We're probably wrong. But yeah, so we're in the big park here and we're going to take a walk around and then down towards the town centre and the castle. I found my top.
Son of arthritis?
I'm a grumpy old man.
Oh, right, yeah.
What I want, when I want, where I want.
Hold on, let me overthink.
I've just got to ask my wife, one sec.
Hold on, let me overthink this.
Yeah.
Jasmine as well, actually.
It's Jasmine. Hey?
Jasmine, don't barge me and be rude.
Right, we're going to take a look at this. We're going to take a look at this monument. Yeah, monument to Dr. Francisco Oliveira, 1842 to 1915. So this is the castle here in town. Quite an impressive castle. So it's less than €2 to visit the castle each. Oh, traditional copper shop here, look. Actually making it. I'll get round to the square. Yep, straight up the hill.
Same man.
Yeah.
Same man.
Hey, 3 mil. You gotta buy property here, guys. A couple of villas here, that's 5 million. 3.5 million for that one. So this is the Norfolk Island pine. It's a tree native to Norfolk in Australia. It's around 200 years old, on a height of 45 metres, and a trunk perimeter of 2.81 metres, and a crown diameter of 10 metres. Very interesting to find one of these in Portugal. Oh, very interesting little square. I'm actually fascinated by that. Well. Oh wow, just walking out one thing after the other. Fascinating. Let's check this out then. What's this? Inside there. Oh no, it's just rubbish. Nothing. And we've got a well here as well. A well here as well. So what's over here then? Is that actually a tunnel? No, it's something though, isn't it? Something original used to be here. Let's have a look. Oh, it's nothing. Interesting though, the shape of the ground around it. And yeah, so yeah, that's an Australian tree. Oh yeah, pick a fish bowl, any fish bowl. That's like a patterns on it, Roman style. I like them little tiles, look. A bit expensive though. Yeah, it's like one giant war memorial. And now at the front of the Vido or whatever the place is called. A fascinating monument this, it's huge. Absolutely huge. So yeah, we've come to the end of the walk now. We've finished walking around this beautiful town here in Portugal, in the Algarve. Absolutely stunning place. Unfortunately, the castle wasn't open for us to walk around, which was a shame. And also the baths weren't open, the ruins of the baths, which is a shame, but you know, we can't complain. We had some rain earlier, which made us wait a bit for starting our walk around properly. But yeah, I'll recommend a visit here, but my advice is don't come on a Monday, go on a Tuesday. So thank you for watching this upload. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this walk around. Make sure you join us again for the next episode.